This is 1.5 over the arm Eli hop, and it looks like this. Before learning this trick, go back and learn our tutorial for 1.5 Eli hop. And it would also help to check out the redirect video so you get comfortable with how the yo-yo is going to move during this trick. So basically, you're just going to do a 1.5 Eli hop, but repositioning the yo-yo to move through this hole that is created by your forearm and your shoulder here. The crucial part to making this trick work is making sure that your fingers, instead of pointing away from you, are actually pointed up or just slightly towards your body. That way, the yo-yo has room to pass by the string that's connected to your non-throw hand. And also you want to make sure your non-throw hand is pointed just slightly out away from your body. If it's completely side by side with your throw hand, it's going to be a lot harder to get the yo-yo back onto the string. The key to finishing this trick properly is making sure that your fingers maintain this upward or inverted position if you have them curled back far enough so that the yo-yo has enough room to hit this string that's connected to your throw hand over here, and it reaches right back onto the mount. You want to make sure that you're not repositioning your fingers forward until the absolute last second when the yo-yo hits the string right there. Just like that. This is a great element to add into any combo. You can go from front to back on your 1.5 hops. After you reposition in your 1.5 mount, you can add a weave or a figure 8. It's a great element to add to any 1.5 combo. That was the over the arm 1.5 Eli hop.